Finance has few borders. Jurisdictions compete for deposits globally. People can move money at the touch of a keyboard. And it has never been easier to make an investment or manage holdings outside one's country of residence. For most of the 20th century, banking secrecy was the norm in offshore financial centres. Many governments refused to share information, either because their laws did not allow them to, or because they saw no national interest in cooperating. If a citizen of France had an account in a Caribbean tax haven, there was little the French authorities could do to find out about the existence of the account, let alone the balance, the origin of the funds, transaction records, or indeed whether taxes had been paid. This all began changing in 2009 when leaders of the G20 put transparency at the centre of their wider response to the global economic crisis and began applying pressure. Today, most governments have committed to ensure that financial information is readily available. They guarantee that their officials have access to information, and they are actually exchanging information on request. The Global Forum on Transparency and Exchange of Information for Tax Purposes reviews countries' laws on information exchange, assesses how effective information exchange is, and is now issuing compliance ratings. The next step towards greater transparency is automatic exchange of information between tax authorities. The OECD, with G20 partners, has developed a common reporting standard. It calls on governments to obtain a wide array of information from the financial institutions and exchange it automatically on an annual basis. Automatic exchange of information will be a potent tool in the fight against tax evasion. If governments no longer need to ask for information, but get it automatically, there will be nowhere for tax cheats to hide. It's the end of banking secrecy as we have known it. More than 60 countries are pledged to be early adopters in the coming years. Why? Because they know that cash-strapped governments struggling to pay for education and healthcare have a shared financial interest in fighting tax evasion. Improving transparency and fairness in the international tax system will help restore the trust of citizens in government.